Hello, everyone. Welcome back to another episode of the Ritz7 Innovations Showcase. Today, we are diving into a feature rich platform we built for a recruitment agency. If you thought recruitment was all about emails and phone calls, prepare to be amazed. Here's the dashboard, your command center. At a glance, you can see key metrics, total selected candidates, total joined, and total stars. They had some rating system which would give us these numbers. They can also see the total number of candidates that have been qualified, which are screened, and total candidates joined so far. This is the new users tab where they can add their team members. Next, we have positions tab where you input all the hiring roles, whether it's a software engineer role in Bangalore or a marketing manager in Mumbai, it all gets streamlined here. So you can see that we've got job position, client name, client SOC from the client side, years of experience required, skills required, delivery person email ID, what is the maximum budget, remark, and so on and so forth. They can also put some email templates and other things. We will also have all the candidates who have been added to this particular position. Here's where it gets interesting. The pipeline. Candidates are not static. They move through stages of the recruitment process. With our pipeline feature, recruiters can drag and drop candidates from one stage to another as they progress. So as you can see, these are qualified awaiting resume. Okay, so basically here, these candidates profile seems to be matching one of our clients requirement, but we are awaiting resume from them, right? So if I click on view, I can see all the details of the candidate: name, what is the experience level, preferred location, expected salary, their email address, relevant experience, current position, skills, right? And any remark that they have given, like notice period or anything, their mobile number, location, current salary, and when will the notice period end. And we can also see any comments done by any of the recruiters or managers over here. Next, we have screened, which means they have been screened and interview needs to be scheduled for them. Now we have next tab where interviews have been scheduled for these candidates, and you can also see their interview results. Some of them might have just one level of interview, some of them might have two levels of interviews, and so on and so forth. As you can see, level 1 and level 2, and both of the levels this particular candidate has cleared. Next up, we have selected tab where we are showing the candidates who have been selected. And lastly, we have a tab where all the candidates who have joined the company will be added. This is so that the recruitment agency can charge their clients based on the candidates who have joined them. And I was showing you about the stars in the dashboard that is here. This stars is based on the offered CTC, and they charge their clients based on the stars. Meet the scraper. We have also built a Chrome extension for them to get the details of the candidates from job portals to this platform to make it easier for them to get the data here until the profiles have been assigned to a recruiter for further evaluation and action. So they could set the position of these candidates, or they can also select all of them and set the position. Need to see more? We had also built a task system for them where they could assign tasks to each other and see the progress until it is closed. So as a manager, they could not only see their own tasks, but they could also see others' tasks and their status. And next up, we have interviews. All the scheduled interviews for today will be shown here. Upcoming interviews will be shown in this tab, and interviews done will be shown here. They could also put a filter based on the date to see any interviews that has happened on a particular day. We have even integrated an attendance system where employees can apply for leaves and managers can approve or reject them from the platform. So employees could apply leave from here, full day or half day, from date and to date. The number of days would come here. They could put the reason here, and then they could apply the leaves. So the employees can also see their leave status here. Leave approval. If the present user is the manager, they could see leave approval where they can approve or reject, and all associates. This is for the owner where he can see all the leaves that a particular employee has taken during the month. This is the profile section where they could edit their image, name, email ID, phone number, and so on and so forth. Finally, let's talk metrics. The performance tab. The performance tab gives the owner a 360-degree view of recruiter achievements, from successful hires to detailed client billing information. all of this, as you can see, this particular recruiter has got 3 candidates who are in awaiting resume, which was added on 1st of September. Let me go to the previous month, right? So as you can see, this particular recruiter had done 942 calls during the month of August, but none of them have been selected or joined yet. They could still be in the interview stage. Not only that, you can also go to finance section, which will give you details of the candidates who have joined, whose invoice is not yet raised, or the invoices. If you go to invoiced, then we can see all the invoices that they had generated for different months. If they go to paid, they can see the clients who have already paid for the candidates this agency help in recruiting. Recruitment is an intricate dance of numerous elements, and this platform puts you in choreographer's seat, allowing you to produce a perfectly coordinated performance. That's a wrap for today. If you want a similar transformative solution for your recruitment agency, please get in touch with us. And of course, remember to follow, like, and comment for more from the Ritz7 Innovations Showcase.